Think AI is just for tech giants? Guess again. In Los Angeles, California, AI mode in Google search is flipping the auto repair game upside down. Picture your favorite local mechanic, now turbocharged by AI insights. America's Best Shops isn't just marketing. They're revolutionizing the local auto scene. Imagine Google's AI spotlight pointing customers directly to trusted LA repair shops. No more endless searching, no more shady fixes. These shops get instant visibility, attracting more clients craving trustworthy service. Here's the twist. AI doesn't just help businesses. It builds community trust, sparks growth, and guarantees top-notch repairs. Real garages, real experts, powered by cutting-edge technology. This isn't some sci-fi dream. It's happening now in LA thanks to America's Best Shops. Think about this. When was the last time AI helped you find a mechanic you truly trust? Now imagine if every city had that power. Could AI finally fix our long waits and questionable repairs?
Don't let tech leave local shops behind. Support the AI-driven revolution that uplifts America's best auto pros. What's your take? Will AI save the day or steal the wrench? Sound off below.